Now that you know how Wordpower 60 Basic works, let's go ahead and get started. Remember that you will need to teach your child how to communicate using this app. The best way to do it is to use aided language input. That's just a fancy way of saying, talk to your child using the communication device.
Come. Here.
As you explore the device, you will notice that there are hundreds upon hundreds of words on there. But for now, it's important to focus on the core vocabulary located on the home page. Remember, the core vocabulary is a group of commonly used words that can be combined to make a variety of messages. Here are some examples of things you might say to your child.
Open it. Want more. Put it on.
You will want to use the communication device throughout the day. Use the home page for Wordpower 60 Basic to make messages like these.
Get up. Eat breakfast. No. Good. Go.
As you're modeling communication for your child, don't forget to pause and give them an opportunity to communicate for themselves.
Put in. No.
Remember, just offer the opportunity to communicate. Don't force it. Inspire. Don't require. And don't use hand-over-hand prompting. This will interfere with your child's independence in using their communication system. If your child does make a comment using the device, we are going to attribute meaning to that comment. This just means that you're going to respond to messages that your child makes in the context of what you are doing. Do you want more crackers? Here's more. Oh, that's so good.
Do.
You want me to do it? You want me to get you more crackers? Here you go. Don't worry about having your child imitate a certain message. Just respond to what they want to say. Even if it doesn't appear to make sense, or you know it's not what your child really wants to say. Just respond to what they say the best you can. Make it work. And then model what you think they were trying to say. Do you want more?
Finish.
You're finished? Okay, let me put that away. Oh, what is it? Do you want more? It looks like you didn't mean to say finished. You're saying more. Here you go. Remember that this is not going to be easy. It's going to take a lot of time. So keep it simple. Start with just one thing. And keep going. Little by little, hour by hour, activity by activity. Remember that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.